Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to use the A to Z Databases page on the DTL's website. If you click on Databases A to Z in the main menu, you'll be taken to the A to Z Databases page. This page gives a full list of all the databases in the DTL's collection, organized alphabetically. In the sidebar, you can see a list of databases that have recently been added to the collection or are being evaluated to possibly be added to the collection. There are 5 ways you can sort the databases to find the material that you need. The first is by subject. Let's say you're interested in Buddhism. You can see that there are 14 databases that have material related to Buddhism. These 2 are particularly recommended: the Nichiren Buddhism Library and Oxford Bibliographies Online on Buddhism. This is because these are specifically focused on Buddhism, and so they'll contain a lot of high-quality material that covers different aspects of Buddhism. Other databases in this list will also include material on Buddhism, but it may be less broad or less specific to the interest that you need. If we click here, we can clear all the filters we put on and look at some of the other filters. You can filter the databases by type, open access, restricted access. If you don't have a library card number from your institution to use at the DTL, you'll want to look at open access databases. You can also sort by vendors or providers. For example, if you only wanted to see databases provided by Alexander Street Press, you could do so. You can also search for databases using typed keywords. Let's say we wanted to see databases that have newspapers. So if we write newspapers and click Go, we can see that there's one database that has newspapers: Historical Jewish Press. And we can clear this filter and look at the last filter, which is by letter. So let's say M, to see what databases there are that begin with M. So here we see databases about ministry, we have Multidisciplinary Digital Publishing Institute, and 2 databases about music. If you have any trouble with the A to Z Databases page, you can go to About and email Drew Baker. If you have any suggestions for databases that should be added to the collection, you can email Anne Hidalgo. This concludes our tour of the A to Z Databases page. Thank you for watching.